Okay, we are going to create new user for our existing store. Okay, I will click on create new user. From this interface we can see that there are only four mandatory input field. Here I will put the user data. Let's see, I have a username, let's suppose Asad, and 12345 password, mobile number 0313. Okay, and here I will put the user email address, Gmail. I will select store. If I have multi-store, I will select one which I require to add a user with. So I will click on the transfer string. I will click on the save button. Okay, you can see the user has added successfully to the store, and from here we can reset the password for this user, and we can also edit the information of this user. If I click on the edit button, we can see that all information appeared in the form. I will change if anything I need to, and after that I will click on the update user button here at the bottom. So this is the delete icon. If I will click on delete icon, this user will be deleted from the system. It will first ask if are you sure you want to permanently delete this data. If I press OK, this user will be removed. Okay, the user has removed now. So it was the user creation, and this is the user list. If I have already created some users in the for my stores, these all will be appeared in this list. And from here it is also the same forms like we seen earlier, and we can change the information or delete the users from here. So I'm going back to the dashboard, and the store list will, okay, this list will show you all the created store. From here I can also add new store like XYZ superstar, and this is the number South, and I will press on the save button, and you can see that the newly created store appeared in the table here. From here we can edit and delete the information of the newly created store. So we can also print all these details from here, and it will show you a print option. For the actually I'm not interested to print this now, so I'm going back to the dashboard, and let me show some other important tabs here. From language settings, I'm going to change the language for my software if I need to change. Okay, it's populating the list. We will need to wait for a chunk of seconds. Okay, it's up here. Oops, yeah, a lot of 191 entries already available here in this table. Okay, this form shows you that for example, if you see here, this is the serial number and this is the price, and this is the name of the language. Actually, English, Urdu, Arabic, Pashto, these are the language. These are the name of the language already created and attached to the software. So, for example, I want to add new phrase. I will enter the phrase here, and after that I will change the detail here in these fields. For now I'm just going to add new language like mm, what to write, what language, Persian. Let's suppose this is the Afghani language and Parsi. It is actually Asian language, so I will change the right to left, and I will click on the add button. Okay, Language edit successfully. Now it will be shown here in the form, and we'll be able to add any phrase in our language. Okay, we can see it here. So let's suppose uh, in fact, I am not able to write anything in Persian language. Actually, I know only the name of language, not expert in this. But anyhow, you can translate and write your own language according to a phrase. You'll change the keyboard, and let's suppose I'm going to change this in Persian language. Enter supplier name. I think it may be like this. The supplier, no, badal, right. I think actually it is such like a Pashto language, but I think in Persian it will be something else. So it is only for demonstration purpose, not in the real context. Okay, when I will enter the translation, I will just click on the 7 of that translate. Okay, now it will be added to the. Actually, these changes will appear on the user when the user will log into the system, not the admin. It will shown to the front end users. So you can see that the translation has been added successfully. Okay, I'm going back to the dashboard, and from here I will show you uh, how to take the backup from our database. This is one of the most important module required in each and every software, because it will take care of your software databases. After clicking on the backup database button, it will take you here in this page. If you can see that ID, file name, date and time, actions, these are actually two backups already been taken by someone else. For example, I want to take new database backup of my existing software. I will just click on this take database button. Okay, see it. Okay, success, the message shown, and you can see that there has been a new database backup added to the form, and on the page you can see it clearly. Okay, if you know, for example, if you lost your data and you need to restore the backup of your database, you will just click on the restore button, and the data will be restored to your software. It is very easy. You can also download the backup file from here. You can also send the same backup file to your email by clicking this icon, and you can also delete the existing or old non-required backup files. But it is very important to keep all these backups in some other external hard drive or storage system, because sometimes we need to take care of the old backup files. So it was very important module, and you can see that it is very easy to take backup of your database from here. I'm going back, and now we will discuss how to work with email template.